In an era of rapid technological and industrial advancement, electronic and electrical products continue to evolve. As AI technology surges, there is always a force charging the era forward. In 2003, Shenzhen Qingxing Technology Company Limited was founded in the Innovation Hub of Shenzhen. Since its inception, the company has been committed to the research, development, and application of chargers, power adapters, and smart electronic products. With 2 decades of dedication, we've crafted a benchmark in the industry with our meticulous craftsmanship. Honors such as the National High-Tech Enterprise, Guangdong Province's Specialized and Innovative SME, Green Factory, and Level 3 Intelligent Manufacturing Certification all stand as affirmations of our commitment to intelligent manufacturing in China. Qingxing Technology has built a robust in-house R&D center where the spark of exploration and innovation never fades. From chargers and power adapters for mobile phones and computers to solar inverters that champion green energy, we utilize internationally leading technologies in energy storage and conversion. With extensive national and industry certifications and thousands of technological patents, we are redefining what efficiency and safety mean, ensuring every kilowatt powers a more sustainable future. Our 2 intelligent manufacturing bases in Shenzhen Pinghu and Guayan in Sichuan work in harmony across the north and south. In these smart factories, every step, from strict raw material selection to systematic production management, follows the principles of lean manufacturing, reflecting our relentless pursuit of excellence. On our green production lines, the low-carbon concept is embedded in every breath of the manufacturing process. Our high-end intelligent smart burn-in chambers, compatible with various fast-charging protocols, guarantee product quality and performance. With synchronized advancements in productivity and sustainability, Qingxing powers global trust through its dual-engine smart manufacturing. Over the years, Qingxing Technology has met the personalized needs of diverse users through outstanding product quality and service. From the compact devices at your fingertips to being the energy guardian of households worldwide, from 3C consumer electronics to the new energy sector, Qingxing continues to expand its international reach. With a presence in both China and international markets, our products span continents and our services earn widespread trust and support. We are not only innovators in technology, but also enablers of a better life, connecting every expectation with efficient energy. Looking ahead, Qingxing Technology will continue to uphold the development philosophy of innovation-driven, quality-first, striving to enhance core competitiveness. We will keep pushing innovation, improving product performance, and creating greater value for our customers, gathering strength to drive the development of the electronic technology industry. With innovation as our power and responsibility as our beacon, Shenzhen Qingxing Technology Company Limited moves in step with the times, bringing more positive energy to the world. We look forward to working hand in hand with you to create a brighter tomorrow.